I'm Sergeant Matt Smith with the Burnsville Police Department. National Child Passenger Safety Week takes place each September as a reminder to make child safety a top priority. Kids are great negotiators. When they don't want to do something, they can be extremely cunning. You may just feel like giving in. However, there is a cost to compromise when talking about your children and seatbelts. Did you know that car crashes are the leading cause of death for children, and that tweens, ages 8 to 14, are the most at risk for injury or death in a car crash? To keep our young ones safe, the Burnsville Police Department has certified child passenger safety technicians on staff to help parents determine what type of seat restraint is appropriate for their children's age and size, and to ensure the seat is properly installed. For more information, visit burnsville.org/car seat. This has been your Burnsville Public Safety Minute.